Kung gumagamit ka ng maliit na DJ controller katulad nitong DDJ Flex 2, bakit nga ba nakakasindak gumamit ng CDJs o kaya mas malalaking mga DJ controller katulad ng DDJ 1000? This is also something I struggled with in the past up until I realized na meron lang dalawang rason kung bakit parang ang hirap-hirap tumalon galing sa isang controller papunta sa CDJ o kaya sa mas malaking controller. And I'm gonna tell you what those two reasons are in this video. The first reason is mental. Kung sanay tayo gumamit ng controller na ganito which has basic DJ features, syempre pag talo natin sa CDJs na napakaraming mga buttons, daming knobs, daming extra features added on, kakabahan tayo kasi we don't know how to use those features. We aren't used to having them at our fingertips, di ba? Now, what you have to realize is that's all in your head. Yung CDJs naman, especially ngayon, yung CDJs, isipin mo, napakalaking controller lang yan. Ang ginagawa lang niya is, it just lets you play a song, it lets you speed it up, slow it down, it lets you scratch, and all those other things. Kung ano nagagawa ng controller mo, nagagawa rin ng CDJ. So it really is just a matter of thinking about it in the most basic way possible. Huwag kang masindak, huwag mo isipin lahat ng mga advanced features na meron ng CDJ, XDJ, or the big DJ controller that you're about to use. Just try to look for the common denominator or the most basic controls that you always use whenever you're DJing. Yung play-pause button, yung cue, yung hot cues niya, which probably are going to be here on the side kung CDJs yan, CDJ 2000, or kung CDJ 3000, nasa ilalim siya ng display. So again, just get over that mental hurdle na it's this really complex piece of DJ equipment and then try to think about it as just being one half of itong DJ controller mo. See mo, ito yung jog wheel, yung CDJ may jog wheel din. Play pause button na nandito, meron din naman yung CDJ. Pitch fader, nandito, meron din naman yung CDJ. So, just locate where those are on the CDJ and you'll be able to DJ like normal, di ba? Now, the second reason is physical, meaning the physical locations of the controls over on the controller or the CDJ that you're using. In the past, when I made a jump from using controllers to CDJs, the most confusing part would be the looping controls. Kasi yung sa mga lumang Pioneer controllers, yung looping control niya, usually may auto loop button yan, di ba? Katulad nito. Pero yung CDJs, loop in tsaka loop out yung controls niya. So I think just familiarizing yourself with how looping works on a CDJ or XDJ system, that really gets you far ahead in using that gear whenever you're DJing, lalo na kung magagaling ka lang sa Flex 2 or Flex 4. Another control to get familiar with would be the beat effects na mahanap mo sa mga DJM mixers na sa ibang controllers, wala yan.